It's Thanksgiving. I've already got too much to do. I love to have 3 table settings in my back pocket that I could pull together in no time with ingredients from the grocery store. So if I go to the store and I think Thanksgiving, orange tulips, this is what I do. First, I cover the table with a waterproof runner to protect the table. Then I put a tablecloth over it. This one is a modern damask, which is a subtle mix of taupes. It's a great neutral backdrop. Then white plates. I'm using square ones, which are also a little modern. Just plain silver cutlery, simple wine glasses. Then to complement the orange flowers, orange napkins folded really simply. The flowers themselves, they go down the middle of the table just in drinking glasses. I always do them in odd numbers, so for this one, 3, but if you have a long table, maybe 5. And then plates of little orange clementines in between the flowers. Then votive candles scattered right down the middle of the table. They really add sparkle. Then the final touch is to use these charming pumpkin cookies from my friend Eli as name cards. Oh, that looks like where I'm going to be sitting. It's simple, it's stylish, and I think the orange always looks so festive. Pumpkins. Hello, Thanksgiving, pumpkins. It's going to be a great basis for a table setting. So I like to mix them. I like the little ones and the littler ones. Oh, those are going to be fantastic together. This table setting starts with a plain white cloth. It makes such a great backdrop. An elegant gray plate just adds a little sparkle. Simple cutlery, plain but elegant glasses. Really, this is the table setting where less is more. Then a nice gray check napkin to complement the plates. Now, down the center of the table, votives with white candles. I never use scented candles. They compete with the flavor of the food, and they overpower the aromas. And the thing that really makes this look like Thanksgiving is pumpkins right down the middle in all different sizes. Then, because it's fun, and everybody loves them at Thanksgiving, silver bowls of candy corn. When you see this table setting, you really know it's Thanksgiving. And this is the easiest table setting of all. Just going to get delicious things to serve with coffee and do them right down the middle of the table. And I love these. They're chocolate-covered caramels with sea salt from France. I'm going to get 2 boxes. This setting doesn't even have a cloth. I just use runners, but not in the usual way down the middle of the table. I put them across. Then keeping it simple, white plates, napkins to match the runners, simple cutlery, my everyday glasses, and some little votive candles right down the center, just to add that sparkle. So the interesting thing here is that the decoration is the dessert. So on beautiful pedestals and footed plates, I arrange beautiful red sickle pears, plump clementines, bunches of grapes cascading over cake stands, and some delicious chocolate salted caramels. It's enough to make you want to skip the main course, and it all came from the grocery store. So there it is. I've got 3 easy Thanksgiving table settings, and I can get them at the grocery store. I've got Thanksgiving covered, and I haven't broken a sweat.